In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your WooCommerce consumer key in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new online shop, developing a custom integration, or simply need access to your WooCommerce API for any other purpose, obtaining your consumer key is an essential step, and I'm here to walk you through it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand where to find and how to generate this key, ensuring you're well equipped to tackle the task with confidence. The journey to acquiring your WooCommerce consumer key begins by navigating to your website's admin area. If you're already familiar with WordPress, this will feel like familiar territory. For those who might be newer to the platform, the admin area is essentially the control room of your website. It's where you'll manage everything from content to configuration. So, let's dive right in and start with the first destination on our journey, the WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged into the WordPress admin area, your next step is to locate the settings option on the left sidebar. This section is a hub for most of the administrative tasks you can perform on your site, including adjustments related to your site's functionality and appearance. Clicking on settings is like turning a key to unlock a vast array of options, including the access to your WooCommerce settings, which is our primary focus today. After selecting settings, your next move is to click on Advanced. This part of WooCommerce houses several technical settings that allow you to tailor your site's operation to your specific needs. It's somewhat like lifting the hood of a car. This is where you can tinker with some of the deeper mechanical workings of your WooCommerce online shop. Within the advanced settings, you'll find a direct link to the REST API section. The REST API is a powerful tool that allows other services to communicate with your WooCommerce store, retrieving information or even creating new orders, among other actions. Therefore, accessing this section is a critical step in obtaining your consumer key, as this is where the magic happens. Now that you're in the REST API tab, it's time for the main event, creating an API key. Look for the option that says Create an API Key, and click on it. This step closely resembles turning the key in an ignition. It's the moment where you initiate the creation of something new. In this case, your very own API key. Upon clicking to create a new API key, you'll be prompted to provide some details about this key. This is an essential security measure that ensures each key is used correctly and for its intended purpose. Take a moment to fill out this information accurately. Once you've provided the required details, the next and final step is simply to click on Generate API Key. Clicking Generate API Key is akin to hitting the Start button on a machine. It sets into motion the process that creates your API key, which you'll use as a secure means of accessing the WooCommerce API. This end result, your freshly minted API key, comprises two parts, the consumer key and the consumer secret. These act like a username and password. Together they confirm your identity to the API, granting you access based on the permissions tied to that key. Upon completing these steps, make sure to note down your new consumer key and secret somewhere safe. It's crucial to treat these keys as you would any sensitive information, because in the wrong hands they can be used to access your store's data. Congratulations, you've now successfully navigated the process of obtaining your WooCommerce consumer key. This key serves as a gateway to integrating your WordPress site with other applications, enhancing your site's functionality, or simply optimizing your e-commerce operations. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so ensure you use your API keys wisely and keep them secure. Throughout this guide, we aimed not just to instruct but to demystify the process, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned WooCommerce veteran or just starting out, understanding how to obtain and use your API keys opens up a world of possibilities for your online store. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. Happy integrating, and here's to your online success.